What's going on, everyone? I'm Peyton Nelson, aka P Nelly Media, back here with another unboxing video. I know I've said in my previous unboxing videos that I probably wasn't going to do more, but you know what? I happened to come across this bad boy right here, 2025 iPad Air with the M3 chip in it. I thought, why not unbox it for you guys? I got this to kind of, replace my laptop. My 2019 MacBook Air has seen better days, so we decided to go with a iPad just because I really like the touchscreen feature of everything. The reason why I call this a low budget unboxing video is because, guys, I'm just like you, no crazy fancy setup. I'm recording this on my iPhone, going to be editing it on my iPad. No LED lights, no nothing crazy. We're going to leave that to the pros. We're going to leave that for Unbox Therapy, all those guys, because they do a phenomenal job at that. I just kind of want to get this done. We're going to, boom, unbox this for you guys. I'm going to turn it on, show you everything it comes with. I actually got it for $850 at the Apple Store. Like, that was the face value. They actually price matched from an Amazon listing, which was super cool. So shout out to the Apple Store. But yeah, so $917 for this bad boy. I got the 256 gig version. This has that M3 chip in it, which is, apparently a pretty big deal. So I'm pretty excited. It's my first ever iPad. We're going to jump right into this. You guys got other videos to watch. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing video. All right, guys, here we go. We got the box here. Here's what it looks like. Got that iPad Air. This thing is huge. I got the 13-inch instead of the 11-inch just because I thought if we're replacing the laptop, we got to have a nice looking screen. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. I'll pull this over here. Boom, boom. Get these out of the way. And for our favorite part, face it like this. Here we go. If it wants to, come on. You guys, like I said, if you came here for the professional, real deal, I'm sorry you ain't getting it. I'm just trying to show you guys what it's like as the average consumer to unbox an iPad in 2025. Here we go. We finally got this thing up. Get a little ASMR action. Boom. Look at that. Wow. This thing is huge. We got the space gray. We had to go with the space gray. I didn't really want to go with any of the colors. But let's get this little wrap off here. I think we got to go like this maybe. Yep. Whew. I didn't get a case. I didn't get a stylus or anything. So my OCD is going to be a little bit bothered. I don't think I'm tearing this off right, but whatever. It's close enough to Christmas. Damn, look at this thing. Look how thin this is. That is insane. This better not break. I got the Apple Care, so I think we're chilling, but here's what it looks like. We're not going to wait till the end to show you. You guys can see the charging cord in the manual later. We're going to start with the star of the show. Wow. All right, I'm going to let this get powered up here. Where's the button, guys? And while we're doing that, now you guys can take a look at what else we get. What does Apple give us in 2025 when we spend almost $1,000 on their product? We get, oh wow, we get a brick. I didn't think we get a brick anymore. We got a brick, boys. Let's go. All right, look at this. ASMR. There's your ASMR. All right, we also get a cord. They got one of these. I think this is like some sort of special cord if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comments, but boom. Look at that. Get this out of here too. There we go. We got a special cord. Hey, at least they threw it in. Wish they'd include like some AirPods or something, but pretty neat. Got the brick. And did we get stickers still? I don't remember. I think the last, when was the last time I unboxed a real, I think I haven't gotten a Apple product in a while because the last one I unboxed was from Amazon Renewed Program. So do we still get stickers? Here's the manual. Won't need that. Won't need that. I just want some stickers, man. Come on. Let's go. Oh, wow. We're done. This is it. No stickers. No stickers. That's unfortunate. Oh, well. All right. Well, you got the manuals, so that's cool. We're going to get this thing powered on, connected to the Wi-Fi and everything like that. Look at that. Boom. Hello as well. All right, I'm going to get this set up so I can show you guys kind of what it looks like, and then we're going to wrap it up because I know you guys got some other YouTube videos to watch. So, all right, guys, we are getting this tank all set up. I'm going to throw some specs up on the screen about this iPad just because I feel like, I need to give you guys a little bit more knowledge about it. But $917 for the 2025 iPad Air. I got the 256 gigabyte version. It's got Apple Intelligence, all that stuff. I'm super excited. I'm going to do an update video once I actually do some editing on this thing. If you're watching this video now, it was done on here. I'll leave a link below to this specific iPad if you want to grab it yourself. But I'm super excited. This thing is huge. And yeah, we're gonna definitely put this thing to use. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. But I want to get you guys out of here early. So yeah.